or washed, they look like peanuts, you see? And here we got the patient 300, the double process of fermentation. They look like cinnamon or more caramel than the others. So back in time, to remove the Cisco, we use that machine, this mortar, but by using that, we can actually break the coffee. So if we break the coffee, they become pasillas. And here we got the pasilla one, a grain that is bad, rotten, or broken. And here we got two different types of coffee, almost of the coffee, the normal one and the pea berry. That is French mutation that only happens between 1 to 5% to all cups. Remember that here we got a coffee with more flavor intensity because we got two in one. Nowadays, to remove this Cisco, we use that silver machine over there. So we're gonna put all the dry coffee in that popper, and we're gonna get the Cisco on this part over there, and then we're gonna have all the almonds in that bed. There we got 4 different sizes of beds. They goes from 18 millimeters to 10 millimeters. We need to separate them because at the moment of roasting, it's roasting. So if we put the biggest with the smaller, those smaller gonna get burned, and the biggest doesn't get roasted on time. Also, the coffee that stays on the first bed is gonna be the coffee that we're gonna export to other countries because they are the first one and the biggest one as well. To protect coffee, we're gonna use those plastic bags because those are special for coffee. Because remember, coffee is hygroscopic, so they can absorb the smell of this storage. And over there, we got the place in which the magic happens. The roasting. So here in Colombia, we use 10 minutes of roasting or a medium roasting. In other countries, the roasting could be higher, and that's okay because different countries got different ways of roasting. So that machine gets preheated around 180 Celsius degrees, and then we're gonna add the coffee. The coffee is in room temperature, and by that we're gonna get a thermal shock. So that machine is losing some heat, and they can get around 110 Celsius degrees. From that moment, we're gonna have different phases in that coffee. So from minute 0 to minute 5, we're gonna get another drying phase. So this coffee that got around 10 to 4% of humidity gets even lower, around 4 to 5% of humidity. It is increasing the heat and raising it. From minute 5 to minute 7, we're gonna get the Maillard reaction. In that, we're gonna get 2 different things. The first one is it is a slightly change of the color, so that coffee that is green or gray, they start having color, and in the end, they're gonna get the brown color that we know in the coffee.